One method that can be used to add a clip in the middle of a shot is to use a cutaway. Now, a cutaway covers up footage in a project, and that keeps the project the same length. Also, cutaways use a second video track, so the shot is easy to move and fine-tune the timing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We've got this clip right here of some flowers. Now, this is a clip up in the project. Also, take note that it's 8.6 seconds long. Down here below in my event, I have a 30-second clip of an instructor talking to a student about that particular flower, that particular type of flower. So this clip is 8.6 seconds, this clip is 30 seconds. Now I'd like to create just a brief little cutaway with the instructor talking with the student about the flower. So what I'll do is I will select maybe about 4 seconds of this 30-second clip down here. Any 4 seconds will be fine probably. And I'll just select that and then click and drag, and what I'm going to do is drop it on top of the clip where I'd like the cutaway. And I also want to drop it and release it at the point I'd like the cutaway to appear. So see the playhead? Wherever I let go of this clip, at that playhead is where these 4 seconds will come in as a cutaway. So I'm going to probably just go right here in the middle. Alright, now a flyout window appears. Now if your flyout window doesn't offer this many options, and especially if it doesn't offer cutaway, then what's going on? I'm going to go ahead and choose cutaway. And what's going on is you'll need to go up to iMovie, Preferences, and make sure that you have Show Advanced Tools selected, and then you will see the cutaway option. Okay, so what it did is it added a second video track right up here, and that's my cutaway. Now let me play this back for you so you can see how this looks. So you can see a cutaway actually covers up footage, so it has no effect on your total length of the project. Now there's a couple editing things that I'd like to show you. You'll notice you even have a blue action wheel on the upper track. Go ahead and click on that and go into Clip Adjustments. And on the cutaway, you have the option of fading it in, which that looks a little bit more professional instead of just snap it's there and snap it's gone. So I'll go ahead and assign a fade manual, and by default that's 0.5 seconds, which is probably long enough. I can also change the opacity if I want that to maybe form like a superimposed type of look. I could do that. I'll just do it to show you what it looks like. I can superimpose those two clips together then. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Done, and I'll show you the results of that. We added a manual fade, plus I changed the opacity just to let a little bit of the background show through. That's called a cutaway.